So Skills feature in Claude is having a real moment right now, and for very good reasons. It's extremely powerful and you can use it in 100 different ways. And I found one that I think is super interesting and quite underrated because I haven't seen that many people talking about it. So imagine there is someone that you really look up to, someone you admire, maybe an entrepreneur or a creator, someone whose content changed how you think about business, how you do business, how you think about life, and you'd love this person to mentor you or to be able to reach out to this person for advice, but realistically, you understand that this is probably never going to happen. I'm going to show you how you can take everything that this person has created publicly, whether it's a YouTube video, podcast, and turn it into an advisor skill in Claude. So you can actually come to it anytime, every single day for advice in your business, every time you're working on a new idea or a new project, and get feedback based on this person's wisdom. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up so you can do it yourself. Let's jump right in. So what we're going to do is we are going to come to YouTube and I'm going to show you an example of the video that really changed my life and the way I view entrepreneurship and the way I build my business. It's this podcast by Naval Ravikant called How to Get Rich Without Getting Lucky. And this is a very famous podcast. It's been viewed over 11 million times. So it's like a true cornerstone of contemporary entrepreneurship that has so much wisdom and knowledge packed into that. So highly recommend listening in it. But what I want to do is that I want to turn this podcast episode into a skill. So basically, I want to create an advisor for myself in Claude that will have all the knowledge, all the wisdom that Naval is sharing here, that I can use in my own strategy work, that I can use in my business on a daily basis, on demand. So there are two different ways you can do it. Either if you're using Claude Cowork, you can just copy the link and you can go into Claude Cowork and say something like, can you analyze this YouTube video, understand the transcript, extract the knowledge, and have a full understanding of everything that has been said in this video? And then you paste the link. So what Claude Cowork is going to do, it's going to get the transcript, it's going to load the tools that it needs to read this transcript, understand the transcript. That will get this work going. But I'm going to show you an alternative way of doing that. And it is to go to NotebookLM and add the video link here. And it's just a cool tip that you can use for other things as well. But when you upload a video to NotebookLM, and NotebookLM is a free tool, you will be able to copy transcript to this video. So you can just go here, press on this video on the left, and here you will have the entire transcript of this video. And this video is extremely long, it's over 3 hours. Be aware that might eat your tokens in Claude. We just copy this and then you would go into Claude and you would just say, here's the transcript for the video. I want to really understand the knowledge and kind of create a playbook from it. You can prompt in different ways and then you just paste the transcript here. But I went with a link because I have Cowork and it's able to handle this. And basically from here, it says, okay, I've processed this entire transcript for Naval Ravikant's video. Here's the full knowledge breakdown. So it has broken down everything that he shares in this video, all his frameworks, all of his kind of messages and standpoints, right? Everything that he talks about is now organized like in this comprehensive overview. And here you can just review it if you want. After you see that it was able to analyze the transcript and it created this full analysis for you, you can just say, I want to create a skill from this knowledge, right? And it will ask you a question. For example, here it asked me, do you want to use Naval's knowledge as a skill, as a business advisor, as a content advisor, or something else? And for me, it's a business advisor because I'm going to use it for my strategy work. And after that, it has created this overview that I want to show you, which I think really shows the examples. So this is how example of how the skill would be used. For example, if I prompt Claude, I'm thinking about pivoting my YouTube channel to cover a broader range of topics, not just AI, but general entrepreneurship and productivity. What do you think? So that's just a common question that I would come and ask Claude in general. And with the skill, it will use Naval's frameworks and Naval's knowledge that he provides in this video to give me advice, to give me strategic advice of whether I should do or not do that. And this is just so powerful because of course you can do it without a skill, but then you'll just get general Claude advice. And I want specifically, like, basically what would Naval do here? What would he, if I come to him as a mentor, what would he tell me? And with the skills, this is what we're going to be able to do. So now when we've reviewed this evaluation document that Claude prepared for us, we're going to say, create looks great. So we're going to say here, looks great, create a skill. And from here, Claude will go ahead and create a skill for us. So once the skill is created, we can press on it and we can review the skill, right? So basically it creates, okay, what is this skill about? It's Naval advisor for my business strategy, how to advise me. So every time I brings a business question, your job is not to give generic advice, it's to apply the most relevant Naval's framework to her specific situation. And you can fine tune here. So if you don't want this skill to be triggered all the time, you might just either turn it off, or you might just tell Claude, activate it specifically only when I ask for Naval advisor skill. And here is just, it goes through like how it would apply the skill, what's the tone of voice, and giving some examples. So if we're happy with that, we just save it as a skill. So next time, let's give an example. So next time I go to Claude and I say, I'm thinking about pivoting and creating a print-on-demand brand. What do you think? That was like super random example, but you can see here it activates the Naval skill right away. It reads the Naval framework and then it gives me advice. So this will be a step back. So basically it gives me a breakdown, and it's up to you to decide whatever you want with it. But I just think it's so powerful to have this possibility to basically bring in the mentors that you admire and you've learned so much into your everyday life, into your everyday business. So imagine you can create you can create Naval skill, right? I don't know if you follow Alex Hormozi, like those different people from their content. And every time you're about to make a decision in your business, like in your strategy, you can just bring them in and see what's their take from their perspective. I wanted to share it in this super quick video. I hope you find this helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and check out my AI Solopreneur Club membership in the link in the description below, where we go into much more depth into how to use Claude and other AI tools as solopreneurs, as someone building online businesses. So check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.